In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce frequent Captcha verification in Google Chrome. While you can't completely disable Captchas because they're controlled by individual websites, there are a few things you can do to reduce how often they appear. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account if you regularly use Google services. Websites are less likely to display repeated verification requests when they recognize a trusted account. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies and other site data. Restart Chrome after clearing the data. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or privacy extension, temporarily disable it and try accessing the website again. Shared or frequently changing IP addresses often trigger additional Captcha challenges. You should also check your extensions by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Disable any extensions that automatically modify web traffic or block scripts, as they can sometimes cause websites to display more Captcha requests. Next, make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three-dot menu, select Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically install any available updates and ask you to relaunch the browser. If you continue seeing Captchas on a specific website, try opening it in an incognito window or from a different network. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your browser settings or your current internet connection. Keep in mind that Captcha verification is controlled by the website you're visiting, not by Google Chrome. There isn't a setting or extension that can legitimately disable Captcha challenges across all websites. That's how to reduce Captcha verification in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.